Hiya guys, this is Big Dan, one of the ex-coaches from XL Sports Coaching. Just thought I would share some resources for you. So, we're going to play the emoji game. It's a sports edition. You've got to guess the emoji. I'm going to give you 10 emojis to try and remember. Try and guess, write them down, and I will be doing a follow-up video with the answers. Okay guys, are you ready? Okay, we start. I'll only give you 5 seconds per card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. And then the next one. And then the next one. Remember, it's all to do with sport, exercise and fitness. And the last one. Of that round. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, round number 2. Say what you see. Say what you see. Wrong way. Everybody hates this guy in the UK. And last one, guys, last one. If you like the outdoors, you'll know this one. Some say it's a spoiled walk, sorry. Okay, there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I will be back with a second video to release the answers. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.